Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video we are going to go through Microsoft 365 admin mobile app step by step. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, if you go to your Apple App Store and search for this app, this is what it's gonna come. So now I'm gonna log in with an admin account. So I'll freeze my screen until I get back in. So this is what I see after logging in. So I have quick access to users, groups, billing, settings, theme, and also support. That's a great thing that I can even manage these things right on my mobile device. So this is really something good. I have just one user, so that's why I see only this. I can go to home. I have all the other things. I have groups. First time. I have billing, settings, theme, language, support. I can raise cases right from here. I have not raised case because this is my personal things. Now let's explore more. Okay, good. Home. So, but I don't see any link for admin centers, or do we have? Message center, shared mailboxes, mailbox migration. Lot of tasks they have included. If I go to settings, what do I see? Okay, more options are there. But what happens like when you use desktop, you see an option of all admin centers. So probably for those centers there would be other apps I'm gonna explore. So thanks for watching this guys.